Hey, Miss Anita, as you can see, seems that Mr. Cash is very enthusiastic about working. It has warmed up today, that is for sure. And it's very noisy. I've got the kennels open because it's rather warm here today. So anyway, I just wanted to reiterate this again. We start out with a prong pinch collar. We'll walk around a little bit, and then I'm going to switch him over to the other lead of where you can run back through the handle and make it a slip lead, and then I'll put a slip lead on him. But as you can see, we're just not very enthusiastic. We already worked this morning, and now he's just kind of wanting to flop over and take it easy. But we'll finish this up pretty quick. Come on, buddy. Here. Come on. Good boy. Come on. All right. Sit. Good boy. Come here. Sit. Good boy. We're going to take this one off and just throw it over to the ground. What is it, Whiny? What is it, buddy? All right. Remember, you can take and you can go back through the whole lead if you want to, or you simply can just go back through the handle like that. You remember, you want to take and put the end of where it will slide. So if he's on your left side, when you look down at it, it looks kind of like a Q. So then we have this slipping right here. Like so, yeah, I know. Good boy. Come on. Come on, boy. Here. Good, puppy. Come on. You can't take that off. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. I'm having to cheerlead him a little bit, make him happier. Sit. He wants to lay down, which is okay. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Right here. Come on. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off. Sit. And he's going to try to lay down again. I'm going to sit him up this time. Good. Good. You're getting tired of this, aren't you? You getting tired of this routine? I'm going to take the whole thing off. Just going to drop it down. I'm going to slide this lead on him like this. Again, we're back to the cue since he's on the left side and he's just wanting some loving. All right, good boy. Okay, here. Heel. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. See, anyway, you can see he'll respond to him. You just have to be consistent and work with him like that. Good boy. And just keep working with him. You know, these different leads setups will work, and as he gets older, he'll get to the point where he's habitual with it. He's doing quite well with me as far as walking that position of neutrality. I think today we've kind of overdone our work because I'm catching all this at the tail end of our work, and as you can tell, he's probably a little tired. Plus, it's warm. We're not acclimated to these temperatures quite yet. Today's, what is today, Wednesday? Yeah. So let me get back into the frame here. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show you the transition. I know it was very quick and everything, but hopefully that's very understandable, I'm quite sure. So if you have any other questions, I'll try to send this. Hopefully everything will download and we'll go from there. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day.